What's up, guys? My name is Justin from Into the Backcountry Guides, and today we're going to make a cat can stove. In particular, one made from a Fancy Feast cat can. So these are nice because you can get it at any grocery store, and they only cost about 50 cents, so very affordable. And so once you get one of these cans, all you do is open it up and remove all its contents and wash it out, clean it out. And then once you do that, also make sure to remove the label. And once you do that, then you have a can like this here. So the next step would be, since you just opened it up, you have a bunch of sharp edges right here. So you want to take your hole puncher and just kind of use the metal end on it and kind of just ream it all out. Get that sharp edge out. Kind of flatten it out, I guess. And then once you do that, now you're ready to put the holes in the side. And these holes are where the flame is going to come out. And so some people get very particular with this, and but you don't need to, in my opinion. They'll usually like take Sharpies, kind of make a mark on each side, and then make sure everything is just perfectly spaced out. But to me, I find if you just start it with your hole punch, like one hole, like so, and then just kind of space each one out about 1/8 of an inch in between, and you can make them look pretty nice just by eyeballing it up. So you want to do 2 rows. You can fit anywhere between 18 and 21 holes, depending how much space you have in between each one. So let me show you how it is when it's all done. And so you can see here there's 2 rows. I have 21 that go all the way around, and then notice the second row I have it offset a little bit, and again all the way around. And so once you have that, now your stove is all finished and everything. Oh, and one thing I didn't point out is you want to make sure that these holes are as high as possible to this lip here, because if you have them too low, this is where you keep the fuel, right here, down below, up to the edge of these holes at the bottom. If you're too low, then you can't put enough fuel in there to boil your water. So make sure they're as high as possible, and then now you're ready to light this thing, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So here's the stove. We're going to put some denatured alcohol. That's my preferred fuel. Why? Because denatured alcohol is a very clean burning fuel and stuff. So you can use heat and some other fuels, but they tend to burn very yellow and then have black smoke, which I don't like that when I'm cooking with food and everything. So I just put a little bit in. If you're actually cooking food, you're going to want to put a little bit more. You want about a tablespoon or 2, probably about 2 tablespoons, I would say, for about 2 cups of water to boil that. And that would be in the summer. If it's colder, of course you're going to need more fuel. So we'll light it here. Use just a typical lighter, and there it's lit. Now I'm not sure if this is coming through with the camera, but there's a blue flame here, and that's indicating that it's lit. And so in the sun, if you're directly in the sun cooking, you're probably not going to see a flame, but you can just put your hand over and you can feel the warmth and know that this is lit. So then what you do with your pot, when you have water in it, you just put it right on top, and then there you go. You have your water getting potentially, you're cooking your food and stuff, or boiling your water, whatever you're doing for your meal. And so there you have it. Very simple, very easy, very affordable. Compared to gas canister stoves, you know, they can cost anywhere between $80 to $150. Again, 50 cents. And what's going to break on it? pretty much nothing. It's just a can with holes in it, and you have fuel. So the worst thing that could happen is that you dump your fuel. So that's another thing. Nothing's going to really break. You know, on gas canister stoves, you have the igniter switch. Those things fail all the time. This you don't have to worry about. So there you go. Cat food can stove.